My name is Chris Marshall. I am the Cooperative Education Coordinator at DCTS. Delaware County Technical High Schools have established school-to-career opportunities for all eligible students. Cooperative education is a unique plan for education designed to integrate classroom learning with supervised, paid work experience. Learning by doing is the key to helping students relate schoolwork to real-world employment. School-to-career programs have proven to help students develop a positive work attitude, increase self-awareness and responsibility, refine career goals, and enhance problem-solving skills. In the 2021-22 school year, DCTS worked with 38 employers and had 70 students participate in our cooperative education program.
My name is Pete Moore. I work with Delaware Bay and River Cooperative. DCTS students have an advantage of participating in the cooperative work experience because there's no substitute for real-world experience. What you learn here, you can take with you on into your future, and you build leadership skills, you can build teamworking skills, and the cooperative education experience is important and beneficial because we have a wide variety of skills that you'll be able to be exposed to, from marine engines to carpentry to all kinds of seafarer type experience, whether it's we're working on trucks, oil boom, outboard engines, diesel engines, hydraulic prime movers. We have a wide variety of experience they can gain from coming here to DBRC.
My name is Brandon Ritter. I graduated DCTS in June of 2022, and I wanted to participate in DCTS cooperative education experience because I wanted to get a taste of the field that I'm interested in, like automotive technology. My advice for any student interested in applying to DCTS, do it. You'd be missing out not to. Work hard, stay focused, do everything you can in your classes, and if you get offered a position for co-op, take it, because again, you're going to be missing out. Automotive technology has prepared me for not only cars, but a wide variety of other fields pertaining to it, which is why I now work on books.
Hi, my name is Matthias from John Chipolone Incorporated. I think co-op work experience is very important for students because it gives them the opportunity to learn from professionals. It also provides a student a glimpse of what this field is all about. Students that are enrolled in the Delaware County Technical School co-op program have an advantage because they get about a year under their belt in the HVAC field. You can also add HVAC to your resume. Most of them will have the proper tools by the end of the first year, and it also gives them the leg up on their very first job out of school.
My name is Owen Smith and I work for Wire Products. I am currently attending the Delaware County Technical School for Advertising Design and Commercial Arts. I wanted to participate in the Cooperative Work Experience program because I really loved what I was doing at DCTS, and I felt that taking that to the next level would be the best decision for me and my future.
My name is Cavanaugh. I'm Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Wire Products. Students enrolled in the Delaware County Technical School Cooperative Education program have a distinct advantage because they receive the theoretical knowledge at school while getting the real world practical knowledge by working.